Hey Emma, when you're ready, you can
Okay,
unmute too.
Hello.
I think we're good to go here.
We have Emma and
Hello?
Joshua. Are they the students?
Okay, sorry. I just muted the Zoom.
All right. Also, Art, let me know when it's all good for me to start. Once I do the intro, I'm going to lower my headset volume so I don't hear Zoom because I'm gonna
Okay.
get distracted as
Yeah,
well.
we're live on stream right now.
All
Uh
right. Sound check good?
yep, let's go and get started.
All right. Good afternoon and happy Saturday chat. My name is Miss Michelle and I'll be our primary host along with Art over here, who's going to be helping run our live stream
Hello.
today. For our stream on Saturday, we're going to be broadcasting one of our Minecraft coding classes that we offer at Playful Digital Learning. We host these free Saturday streams on the second and fourth Saturday of every month. So, just in case you didn't get to sign up for today, make sure to register for our next session later this month. Our PDL classes are open to students 8 to 14 years old, and they're completely free on these Saturday streams. So if you have any friends who also might be interested, please share this with them and invite them, and you guys can attend our classes together. And while we run these classes, families are also more than welcome to watch in case your parents wanted to come and sit down and see what our students are doing in our classes and how our teachers like to demonstrate these classes. These streams are a great way for families to sit in as well. For those who are new and are meeting us for the first time, welcome. Playful Digital Learning is a virtual education program that combines children's passion for gaming and online learning. You can learn more about these Minecraft classes that we offer. We have a lot of different classes depending on what your student may be interested in, whether it's building or Minecraft survival or programming. We have a lot of different subjects, and today it's going to be our coding class. If you want to see what other classes we offer, feel free to visit our website or use the command exclamation PDL in the chat. But going back to our live stream, today's PDL stream will be led by Miss Ashton, and we have some of our other learning coaches and a student with us joining today. We're going to cover over how to code a fighting enemy game in Minecraft using our very own PDL code. If you guys have any questions about Minecraft, the game, or coding in general, feel free to ask in the chat, and we will do our very best to answer your questions. But while we're almost done getting set up, I'm gonna, in just a second, hand it over to the Zoom so we can let Miss Ashton start our Saturday Minecraft session.
Thank you, Michelle. Switching it over.
I did that one time too.
All right, we're live.
Yay! So Emma's just checking on her account information right now. I don't know what you guys said in the intro.
Basically, just introduce PDL, introduce ourselves. I said a little bit about you, Ashton, how you're going to be teaching, and then just the general topic of what's for today. But if there's anything else you want to add, feel free.
Did you talk about what PDL code is?
Not really.
I haven't explained PDL code, but I just mentioned that the coding we're using for this game is one that we use specifically within PDL.
Okay. Well, while we're waiting for Emma to get her account whatever. While we're waiting to get her account information, why don't we talk a little bit about PDL code? If you want, you can show my screen where I have an example of some of the code that we're actually going to be using today.
Yeah, give me a moment while I switch that over.
So PDL code is our own console that works in Minecraft. So whatever you put in here, it's drag and drop. You can make it activate in the game. So today we're going to be making a enemy fighting game where you fight a bunch of hordes of enemies in the game. So here's kind of the example that I have today. We're going to play it in Minecraft in a little bit here. Once we get everybody logged in. But this is an example of what the drag and drop code looks like. You can make some pretty fun and interesting stuff. So if we're still waiting, I guess I'll show off some stuff like this. So here is our make a house code. So if I type help, help, it gives me a list of commands. Oh, yes.
I was wondering, well, I couldn't, if my parents didn't know, so I was wondering.
Oh, yeah, sure. Here. Let me help you out. So I'm gonna change, set a password for you then.
Okay.
And then we can.
Do you need it? If you need to tell her the password, I'll mute the Zoom audio while you do it on the stream.
Sure. So
Emma. That's
I was gonna send it via text.
Okay.
You've always been Emma.
Just in the Zoom chat. And okay, I'm gonna send you in Zoom. So your username is your Minecraft account. And here is the new password. I just sent it in the Zoom chat. Did you see it?
Mhm.
Okay.
Do you want me to take a picture of that?
So if anyone's joining us in the stream right now, this is common for us when we start up our classes for coding. We often spend a little bit of time to get the students connected and everything working. So we're just working through that at the moment.
Here, I'm gonna
Sorry, Ashton,
build a
I should have
house.
muted the Zoom when I did that.
It's okay, we weren't saying anything.
I muted Zoom on the stream, but I didn't mute on Zoom.
But here's an example unit that you can make with PDL code where you literally make a house. And we can also destroy it with a single command. So you can also.
Can you do that to annoying shulkers that are teleporting all over the place?
Wow, the power.
Sure, you could find some way. So I can do stuff like how long it should be. 5. Oh, is it build a house? Yeah. And now we've made it a little bit longer. I know the stream is a little bit laggy, it seems like, because I'm sharing my screen, and maybe I should. I can't really reset my settings at this point, can I? If I maybe optimized it for video clip, it might have been a little bit smoother, but
That helps a lot.
oops.
I've found as well.
You mean with the Zoom sharing?
Mhm.
Yeah.
We can. I mean, if you want to do it, then go for it. I can figure it out.
Okay. I'm gonna try really quick. How's it going, Kat? Did you manage to get how's it going? Did you manage to get logged in?
Yeah, it's just I need the server password and stuff.
Okay. I will send you that next. That's an easy fix.
Yeah, and right now, Ashton, I'm sharing my screen, so you're good to go on your end.
Awesome. All right. There is the server. there a bat inside my house?
Just let me know when you've started the Zoom sharing again. The window might pop under for me, so I have to find it.
Yeah. Let me Oh, when I'm sharing my entire screen, I can't optimize for video clip. Unfortunate.
Huh.
Well, so much for that.
I mean, if you want to just share the console and just direct me as to where you want a camera, I can move the camera around.
Well, I mean, it's
Or I can just view your position. Hold on.
I mean, that might be better for the stream, but I think it'll be easier for the students if they can see what I'm doing in Minecraft.
Yeah,
So it's a balancing act.
okay.
Did you manage to get logged in and get on the server?
Okay, I'm now observing from your perspective, Ashton.
You won't be able to see me typing and stuff though.
Oh, that's true. Okay.
But I don't think there's any way around it.
All right, no worries.
I don't know what the best option is here. I guess I'll just share my whole screen again.
Okay, let me switch. Are you ready? Are you ready to go live with that, Ashton?
Yeah. I mean,
There you go.
did you manage to get into the server?
It says invalid IP address, so I'm just
Oh.
trying to check for mistakes.
Interesting.
If you want to talk a little bit about PDL code there, Ashton, I can chat with Emma and help her get on the server.
I think you need like a breakout room though.
Can they see me, Art?
They don't see I'm
They
not
don't see
sharing
my
anyways.
chat, right?
I'm not sharing anyone's faces, but your
Oh, okay.
voice is on. Yeah.
Oh, I
If-
I was gonna type to her in chat. They won't.
No,
they won't
chat's
be able to
not.
see that, right?
The only chat that
Okay.
they can see is what's on Twitch or YouTube.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay, yeah, if you want to try
Yeah, no
helping
problem.
her out in
So
the
I'll
chat.
type to you here, Emma, and just make sure we've got everything on the same page here.
I'm getting rid of this bat. Or maybe not. I can't
You
hit
can
it.
just kill them all. That's the starter code when you open up PDL. It's like summon a bat when you sneak. So I'm making sure it works. They're adorable.
They're annoyingly loud though. Oh man, there's like 3 of them. What?
Oh, there's more than that. You just
Oh
kill
no,
them all.
what have you done? There, got him. Okay. But yeah, so we have a bunch of different stuff that we can do in PDL code. The making a house unit is like one of our more advanced ones, so that's something that we do in level 3. But what we're going to be doing today is just some of the cool stuff that you can learn just with level 1. Using if statements and repeats, and learning how to like spawn stuff into Minecraft. So, if they're still doing that, I guess we can show off some other cool units that we have here. Should we try this one? I think a recent update broke some of these, but I think some of them should work. So let's try it out. This is our superpowers. So
That's one of my favorites.
it's a good one. Let me remember how to see the commands. How do I? I know there's a way to just see what all of them are. Help. It's help. So if I say help, it tells us all of the options that we have. So for example, we can do spawn. which is somewhat similar to what we're going to be doing today. If I type in spawn help, it tells me all the things that I could spawn. So I could say spawn a cow. And then, ta-da, we got a cow. I could say spawn a mushroom. And we have a mushroom. And I could say spawn a parrot. And then we create a parrot. So lots of different cool stuff that you can do with that one. There's also the, let's try the tower one. Where is that? Tower. So if I say 5, it will suddenly put me up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks into the air. I could say 10. Oh, I fell off my tower. But that is a 10 block tall tower. So cool stuff. Let's see. What else we got? Smite is fun. If I say boom. Oh, it's just boom with no exclamation point. Well, apparently it's not working. Why is it not working? I'm so sad.
Is it all uppercase?
I did make it all uppercase. That's so tragic.
Maybe it's lowercase with an exclamation point.
There's so many options. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at what it does. Let's see here. So this is the code. You can see this is one of the more complicated ones. This is one of our level 3 ones again. But it says if you say let me just search for boom. Where's the other boom? Ah, here it is. It is just boom. Interesting. I wonder why it's not working. Maybe this is one of the ones that broke. Would not be surprised. Some of them broke. All right, we'll give up on that one. Let's do block finder. So let's say we're searching for, what is that, diorite? So
You either love it or you don't.
it's searching. It's searching. When I get close to it, it should tell me. This is diorite, right?
Looks like it. Yeah, middle click, right?
Yeah, it is. But this one's not working either. Oh no.
I remember the Diamond Finder one we did on the
Yeah,
previous live stream. That was a lot of fun.
I can pull that one up. How do I say
Let
stop?
me-
Oh. Stop. Turn off all powers.
Are we
All right.
still having technical issues with getting our student in? Or
She hasn't responded. Emma, you there?
Yeah.
Were you able to join using the info I gave you?
I'm just trying to I'm just trying to see if I can just come out and then go back in and see if that fixes anything.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask Dr. Lee if she can send you to a breakout room with her, Chris.
Okay.
Would
And
you
then
mind?
now I can then you can share your screen with me, Emma, and or we'll see if we can get you set up.
Let's see. I got other stuff. Oh, looks like breakout room is open. So when you're ready, Emma, just accept that. Cool, she's gone. All right. So they'll hopefully figure that out. Here's a diamond finder. Let's see here. The problem is I, wasn't planning on showing a lot of these codes, and some of them are really old, so I have no idea which ones still work and which ones don't.
So Ashton, is your PDL code execution tab showing any?
Oh,
I see error messages logged. Yeah.
yeah.
So, for example, I see it trying to turn diorite into a number and not liking that.
Well, I mean, I could go and, try and problem solve right now, but I figured that wasn't exactly
Sure.
interesting stream content.
We have another student joining.
Yay! When they connect to the audio. We'll be in here soon. Oh, here's a good one. So when I place a block down,
Oh,
suddenly we have chickens.
oh my goodness. That was a
Again.
surprise. It's raining chickens. Let's see. What else do we got? This one spawns. Whoa! What happened to the chickens?
They
They went to their cousin's house.
they're on a farm.
No!
They're on a farm with plenty of room
They went to the
run.
farm. How do I spawn these creepers? Let's see. I say something. Oh, I say start. Okay. So if I say start,
Oh,
70 creepers.
oh my goodness, that's scary.
I thought swords sweep. Let's get the command to. There we go.
I think creepers are the scariest mob in the game.
We can do it again. Now it's 25.
Wow.
Now we do it again. Now 10. And again. Now it's 35. So I have done this in survival mode before.
Did you survive?
It's always fun. No. So here we go. Oh, I actually lived that time. What do you know? I am wearing full enchanted netherite armor right now, so I'm sure that helps.
Yeah. It also helps you. It looks like you've had a little bit of distance from them, so.
Where did this guy come from? He got left behind. Also, just for this, you might want to go to your view just because mine is super laggy and we don't really need to look at the code right now because I'm not necessarily sharing that part.
Okay, let's see.
All
right, I'm on my view.
Oh, is our new friend connected?
I think can you hear me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, we've been trying to figure this out and I'm like, I don't know.
Oh no. All good.
I need you to be quiet.
So where are you guys at? Have you managed to get into Minecraft?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
No, we haven't. We have Minecraft, but I have not been able to get the server to connect.
Okay.
What installation are we supposed to be on?
1.20.1.
120.1.
I actually would have never guessed that one.
It is kind of a random one.
Right about all the other ones.
One reason, because
okay, we're not gonna have too much talking. They've already started, and we
because
need to
that's
get
the
in there.
next update.
I'll let you. Our other student is also having trouble connecting, so we're not too far into the lesson right now. You don't need to worry too much. We're just talking about the stuff we got planned for today.
I don't know why it is that. Ours always like clicks off whenever we
120.1. It doesn't let me change the installation.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Is that the plan?
We are definitely going to be playing some Minecraft. And we're going to be fighting enemies in Minecraft.
Yay.
Are you ready to do that?
Okay, server. Here we go. Edit. It's supposed to be minecraft.pdl, pdl.com:12009.
Correct.
Yes. That sounds right.
How about the Minecraft server name?
You can call it
That
whatever you
doesn't
like.
matter. You can call it whatever you want.
Okay, we got green bars.
Click on this.
Yay!
It was red.
Like it's gonna leave us.
The server hates me.
Oh, it hates your mother.
What does it? Yeah, I've tried doing
Woo!
it.
Okay. Am I good? Am I good to leave him?
You also need the coding console open. Do you guys have that as well?
Remind me how I
It's just a
connect my little guy so I'm not in there. Like
if you hit escape,
this escape. Okay, there we go.
Education edition open.
And then
then you need to go to, I can send you the link.
Yes, no, be quiet and get out of here.
all right, I created a website. We went to the Playful Digital Learning portal, but it says there's no available content for us.
Do you want to try that link I just sent? It should ask you to log in.
Okay. Did you send it on a chat or by
On
email?
Zoom.
On Zoom. Okay. Zoom. Chat.
Oh, I see a person.
I think that's it. PDL powered console.
correct.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, what's my lovely show?
You have to define it.
So what do we do? Where is it?
Did you guys manage to log in?
I think so.
Yay! So it should look something like this, except probably without
Well, hold on a second.
my screen share.
Yep, I just switched over.
All right, awesome. We're just waiting for our other friend to leave the breakout room. I told Dr. Lee, but she doesn't seem to have done it. Her answers are not making much sense to me.
What's she saying?
I asked, can you remove them from the breakout rooms? And she responded, he is in the console.
What?
I don't know what that means.
That doesn't make sense. Yeah.
I think that just means she's just saying that he's in the in the PDL server console or the powered console.
Yeah, but what does that have to do with removing them from the breakout
Nothing.
room?
Well, that explains nothing. That explains nothing.
Let me step away and go check in on it.
Okay. And then we can get started. I guess I can show you around the coding console a little bit while we are waiting. So we've got this is the coding console. I'm going to make a new unit so I can show you. Oh, all right. Let's get rid of that. So this is where we can put all of our blocks of code, and we can make lots of cool stuff happen into Minecraft. Oh, they're back. Yay!
Hi there.
Hi, people.
Welcome
Hello.
back, everybody.
She should be good now, and she should be getting on there, if not already on, any moment.
I saw she was in the server for sure. Okay. Emma, can you hear me okay? You're muted right now.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Awesome. All right, guys. Are you ready to get started?
No.
Yeah.
So this right here, if you look at my screen share on Zoom, this is the PDL powered console. This is where we're going to make all of our code. Now, have either of you guys done any coding before?
He's talking to you.
I haven't.
You haven't? Cool. What about you, Emma?
Not this type.
Cool. Awesome. All right. But you've done something before? Some kind of coding before?
Yeah.
All right. What did you do? Was it like Scratch or something?
I forget the name, but it was like an Dalhousie camp thing.
Okay. All right, cool. So
I
you have a
see-
little bit of experience. So some of this might seem a little bit familiar to you. It'll just be learning kind of the differences between PDL code and whatever else you were doing. So this is where we can do pretty much anything in Minecraft, though. We can spawn animals, we can spawn enemies, we can make a tower, we can do a little dance, we can move our character around. There's lots of different cool stuff that you can do.
I saw your cursor is moving on my screen right now.
What?
Somebody's is.
Interesting.
Screen share makes it do that.
But there's lots of cool stuff that we can do. Today, our goal is to have you guys make your own mini game in Minecraft where you fight a bunch of enemies of your choosing. So if you want everyone to fight 100 creepers, you could do that. So I am going to activate my example game and I will show you what it looks like. So here is an example of what PDL code looks like, and I'm going to deploy it into the game. So if you check in Minecraft now itself, or you can look at my screen share here, I'm showing you, you can see that my character has said, without me typing anything to the chat, sneak when you are ready to fight. So watch this. If you look at me in the game, I'm going to sneak and 3, 2, 1, and oh, there's some enemies. Ah! And we can fight them. Oh no, I'm getting beat up by zombies. And there we go. All right, cool. So that is what my mini game is. It's pretty easy. Oh, the witch is still here. Let's get her out of here. Oh my goodness, she's still alive.
That's nightmare fuel.
Oh my goodness, go away.
What is going on with our screen right now?
Are you looking at my share screen?
I think so.
It's really laggy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. I know.
Who's in the game already?
What?
Who's in the game already?
Who's in the game? Looks like all of you guys are in the game. But what I'm actually going to do now is I'm going to activate a version of this for you guys and let you try it out in the game. Do you want to try beating my challenge?
Yeah.
Cool, let's do it.
Kind of forgot how to work this thing, but I'll get it. I get it.
Right.
Just mash
Now-
buttons until you profit and win.
Yeah.
This one is going to be slightly different, where there's going to be 3 different levels. Oh, let's see here. Okay, so everyone in the game should say easy, medium, or hard. So you guys can go into Minecraft. Go ahead and try it out and type into the chat whatever you prefer. Easy, medium, or hard. Uh-oh.
I'm not. You're kind of covering.
Chris is doing it.
Your screen share is covering up my screen.
So what you want? Oh, why is it coming after me? Hey,
I think I've been
this.
I think I've been creative still.
I wanted no part of this. This is not cool.
I
Um,
literally.
So what you can do, there's 2 options you can do. In the corner, upper right-hand corner, you should see a minimize button for Zoom. Do you see that?
Where?
Upper right-hand corner, the little
Oh, yeah.
minus. Do you see that? That should
Yeah.
close out of Zoom for a second so that you can get to Minecraft.
No, it's just your screen share. That's the problem. It's
Um,
interactive everything.
it's covering the whole screen?
Yeah.
Go ahead and I think if you double click on it twice, it should make it small enough that your minimize button shows up.
Oh, there we go.
Yay! Did you get Minecraft?
It's behind everything.
It's still behind everything. Oh no!
I got it though.
Yay!
I'm loading into the server right now. Oh my gosh. Let me go into Minecraft.
Emma, do you want to try it out in the game?
Oh, I'm still in creative too.
Oh, here, I got you guys.
Why am I still in creative?
Cat.
And by the way, I have nothing.
Oh, well, good luck. You might want to pick easy mode then.
Why? This thing is not connecting. Why isn't this thing connecting?
Looks like you just got a sword.
What? I'm not connected, but it's what? What's going on?
That was weird.
Oh, I'm in the game now.
Yay!
What is going on right now?
I don't know, man. I see you.
We can see that you joined the game.
Don't cut me with your sword.
So if you guys don't know how to type into the chat, hit T, and then you can type easy, medium, or hard.
Yep.
Oh, actually, I realize I'm going to have to redeploy yours. Let me try that again.
I forget how to spell easy.
E-A-S-Y.
E-A-S-Y. Easy.
Oh, cat's trying medium.
What do I
Look
hit?
up behind you. Oh, you got it. It's starting. Get ready. Oh no! Oh, you won just because the creeper killed them all for you.
Yeah. Thank you,
Cat's
Mr.
dealing with an Enderman.
Thank you, Mr. Creeper. The creeper helps me. Anyone ever had a creeper help you before? Have you? Have you? Have you? Have you?
I don't think so.
Not so.
All right, I'm gonna put you guys back into creative for now, okay?
And inventory. I'm putting my armor on.
Oh, looks like Cat is still fighting the
Enderman.
Enderman and the witch.
Have fun with the Enderman and witch, dude. You're on your own.
That witch is tough.
Nice. Oh my goodness, she's still alive. Here, I got her. I'm gonna get her for you.
So
Ready?
what are we doing right now?
Yeah.
Can we do
Wait, what do you
Watch this magic.
have right here?
Boom, dead. All right. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit about PDL code now. So
Why-
that's kind of what we're making today, but you're going to make your own version of it.
Why is there something here just floating in the air?
I don't know.
What are you?
It's me.
Camera. What?
You're looking at Miss
It's me.
Michelle.
What? What in the world?
I can follow
you
you
do that?
around. I'm gonna follow you.
Where
I'm
are
gonna keep
you?
flying around you.
I can't see you. Oh, there you what are you doing?
All right, guys.
Come here, you.
Come back to Zoom really quick because I'm going to show you some stuff, okay?
Okay, Zoom.
I want you
Where?
to look at my screen share.
Oh no. Screen share. I for. How do I?
Can you see it?
Not really.
Are you on Windows or a Mac? You're probably on Windows if it's Java Edition, right? I don't know if
I'm in Java Edition.
so. At the bottom of your screen, there should be some icons.
Yeah.
Unless Minecraft is full screen too. You should look on the one that says ZM. Do you see that?
Well, I know where it is. I just have trouble getting there. because of how Minecraft works, you don't have a cursor anymore.
Oh, hit escape.
Escape? Where's escape at?
It's the upper left hand of your keyboard.
Upper left-
ESC.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, I'm back on.
Awesome. Okay, so this right here, this big blank thing that we're looking at right here, this is
Yeah.
called a unit. This is where we're going to keep all of the code that we can activate into the game. So first thing I'm going to have you guys do, very first thing, is we're going to make a unit. In the upper left-hand corner here, you see where I'm clicking? There should be something, it should say something like unit 01
Oh,
or something like
I'm
that.
not back on Zoom. What is going on right now?
Oh no. Emma, did you manage to get back? Okay.
Get out of here, you big old chunky screen. Ugh. Screen. Oh. Nope, that's still
Got it.
running. Nope, don't. How do I do this? How do I do this? What is going on right now? What is going on?
I don't know, man, because I don't know what you're looking at.
I'm not even do I Zoom? Oh, I have Zoom. I just got Zoom.
Yay! We're glad to have you back. All right.
Stay
So,
out.
do you see this little black box in the upper left-hand corner?
Did you see that picture that
It'll probably say something like unit 01 on yours, but you can look at mine for now. When I click on it, I have a couple options here. What you guys are going to want to do in just a second here is click on this open/new, and then you'll be able to type in, we're going to name it hello.
Not really.
And of course I have stuff.
Oh, I see you. I see you doing stuff.
So I just hit this little black box, clicked open new, and then I typed in hello. So I'm going to have you guys go ahead to your PDL code console and
Okay.
try doing that.
I don't know where she clicked.
I still don't understand. I don't understand where she clicked either.
Okay, let's look at her.
So right up here, you want to go to your screen so it looks like this. This little tiny black box up here. It'll probably say something a little bit different, but it's a super tiny little black box.
Oh, there
Oh,
we
hello.
go. Okay, sorry, our view was not, we weren't seeing.
Oh no.
So right there, yours says unit 01.
Perfect. So
You
you're
want-
going to want to click on it and then click on open/new.
Okay,
And then you should be able to type something in.
What can I type anything I want?
Just name it hello for now. Later you'll be able to name it whatever you want. But right now we're just going to name it hello.
see, now it looks like hers. Oh, now I need to
Yeah,
go.
you're in the way.
All right. Now, here's the most important part of having any unit or doing any coding at all. Once you have a unit, you need to save it constantly, all the time. So we're going to talk about how to save it really quick before we even do any coding at all. In the bottom left-hand corner, down here, there's these teeny little blue buttons. You want to look at the one all the way on the left. It says save. You can click that. I usually click it a few times just to be super, super, super sure that I have saved all my stuff.
Wait. Ugh. What is going on here? Now I can't find the Zoom at all. Where? I want to know what is going on with this Zoom and why.
Zoom can be a little finicky sometimes.
Very finicky, that's for sure.
Emma, did you manage to make your unit and everything?
I got mine, but where do we click to do whatever that we were talking about?
You made your unit, right? Named it hello?
Yeah.
Great. Then all you want to do is bottom left-hand corner, this little teeny blue button says save. You want to click on it. Do you see it down there in the bottom left-hand corner?
Yeah.
And click
Got
on
it.
save.
Then-
I would click on it like 3 or 4 times. I usually click on it a bunch to make absolutely sure that it's saved. Because the worst thing is when you do a bunch of coding and then you forget to save it and then it's all deleted. It's the worst.
Does the recover go dark whenever you have it?
If you know what?
Mine does, yes.
I guess so.
Mine does
I've
too.
never noticed that before, but it does do that. You are absolutely right.
Yeah,
Okay.
you definitely want to save it. If you navigate away from this window and haven't saved it, it will all disappear. And it'll make me cry. It'll make all of you cry. So
All right, cool. Go ahead and come back to Zoom now. I know I'm making you navigate a bunch, but I'm going to show you our very first bit of code here.
I don't really see the thing because I kind of lost it again.
Uh-oh. You see where it says ZM down at the bottom?
ZM. I don't have any ZM, but I have Zoom, but I lost the Zoom. Kind of.
Maybe yours is different then. But
I have the thing that says Zoom.
uh-huh.
In Zoom meeting.
Don't do that.
It just says in Zoom meeting.
In Zoom meeting?
Yeah, in a Zoom meeting.
In a Zoom meeting.
I feel like that means in.
So do you see Miss Ashton or myself in a tiny little window?
No,
Um,
I can't find that. That's the problem.
Okay, so you don't see a little square with a J on it. That would be me.
But I still have that window that you have open there, so I can see what you're doing.
Wait, you
Oh.
can see what I'm doing?
Yeah, on your thing, I can see what you're doing. I think.
Okay. So if I put that little purple box in the middle there,
Yeah,
do you
I
see
can
it?
see it. I can see.
Oh, cool. Then we're all set, man.
I guess I
Alright.
don't need to see y'all.
Nah, it's okay. Seeing this is more important, I promise. Okay. So this little purple thing that I just pulled out, this is called a unit initializer. Does anybody know what initialize means?
No. No.
So I heard 2 voices from the same household.
Quiet.
Interesting.
Quiet. Just keep him quiet.
Initialize means to start. So a unit initializer happens right at the very, very start. So as soon as I put this code into Minecraft, it's going to start. Don't do this yet, but when you guys are doing your code, you can find it under main here on the left-hand side. So all of our little blocks of code are in these little categories here. Main is always where you go to start your code. You're always going to need something from main.
Is main the second one down?
It is.
Got it.
Main. So right here at the top, we got our unit initializer. Now, any code I put in here is going to happen right at the start, as soon as I put it into the game. Now, we actually need something to happen, though, because there's nothing there right now. It's just at the start of the game, do nothing. So let's tell it to do something. Best place to go to do that is Minecraft Actions right here. That's how we can actually make things happen in the game itself. So one of my favorites to start out with is this little block right here. That is say. And you can see I can drag it from over there and kind of drop it in. It clicks together like a little puzzle piece. Now, whatever text I put over here, my character will say in Minecraft. And it will say it right when this starts, right when we put it into the game. So now I need to add some text. You don't have to worry about remembering all this quite yet. But under literals, I can see these little quotation marks here. This is my text. Finally, I'm going to drag that in. I've made a little puzzle complete, and I can say whatever I want. When you're doing programming, a lot of programmers like to use the phrase, "Hello world," to start out. So this is my completed unit. So let's take a little overview of what this is going to do. So remember, this purple block means whatever happens in this little block is going to happen when it's put into Minecraft at the very start. And so at the very start, it's going to say, hello world. So I'm going to show you what that looks like, okay? Remember, every time you do programming, anytime you make any changes, first thing you got to do, save. Like a bunch of times. I've saved like 50 times. Okay. So now I need to actually put this in Minecraft so we can test it out, okay? Right here at the very bottom, in these blue boxes, you should be able to see something that says deploy. So you can see that on my screen. I think I have a few extra options that you guys might not have.
Like what?
So I have like self deploy and undeploy self. I don't think you guys will have that because you're not a teacher. But the most important one that you guys are going to want is this thing that says request. And when you click on that, you can put in a little comment. I will see whatever you type in here. So don't say mean things to me. But you can put whatever you want and hit OK. Now, I, as the teacher, can put your code into the game. So I'm going to show you right now what it looks like with Minecraft. So I got Minecraft on one side. I've got this on the other. So as the teacher, I'm going to put it into Minecraft. Pay very close attention here on the right-hand side of my screen at the chat. And I want you to see what's going to happen. You ready? I'm going to hit deploy. 3, 2, 1. And you can see my character has said, hello world. As soon as I put it into the game, my character said hello world, because that's what happens with a unit initializer. All right. So, yes.
Oh, I'm back in the game.
Oh, well, hang on. You got to go do your code. Get back to the coding.
I'm not actually back in the game yet.
Because now it's going to be you guys' turn to make this.
What are we making?
You are going to say anything you want in the game using code. So if you need an idea, I would say hello world, but you can say whatever you want, anything you want.
Just not something mean to one of the instructors.
Yes, don't be mean.
Yeah.
I'd be very sad. I might start crying in front of everybody.
I know one of y'all.
What?
I know Michelle.
Ah, you know Miss Michelle.
Yes, I remember you from our classes.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's the cool teacher. She was too cool for the stream, so I had to fill in. Okay, so I'm going to have you guys go ahead and on this unit you just created in your coding console, so don't be looking at mine anymore. You are going to go to main and make a unit initializer, Minecraft actions, say, and literals to find the quotation marks. And then you can type in whatever you want.
Can you type in blah, blah, blah? Get out of here, Wyatt!
You absolutely could type in blah, blah, blah. And just let me know when you are done.
Does it matter which one you use?
Yes. I'm not sure which one of what you're talking about, but it does matter.
Are you talking about the literals, Jenny?
Yeah.
Yes, it does. You want the one that's going to be with the quotations around it. So that's for a string, which is like the green one. If you try to type letters into the blue one that's got the 0 in it, it's not going to be very happy with you.
Wait,
It'll get mad.
do we do a Minecraft action too? I forgot.
Yes, you want to hit say. So Emma, let me know when you're done doing that.
On Minecraft actions, I don't have say.
It should be there. What you might need to do is scroll down a little bit. Can you find the little scroll on the side? Yeah.
I finished doing it.
Awesome. Once you're done, you're going to hit save and then deploy request. So remember this thing right here.
Literals.
Okay.
So what are we gonna? Does it matter what we say?
No, you can type in whatever you want. Be nice though.
Yeah. Can we type it? P-O-P. Get out of here!
I like Chris's choice. It's a good one.
You said we could say anything we want.
Yeah. Thanks for following directions.
That's what I do.
Wait, what did you type in?
Emma, did you find the deploy request button? Ah, she found it.
Yep.
Let me take a look at it. Cool. Looks perfect. All right, you ready? I'm going to put it in the game. You might want to check in the game. In 3, 2, 1, and boom. She's got it. Way to go. All right, man. We're just waiting on you.
I have so much trouble typing.
You can make something short. You could even just say A.
Like a Canadian?
I'm done.
Perfect. Hit save in the bottom left and then deploy request.
How do I deploy it?
So do you see where it says deploy at the bottom with the blue buttons? Next to that should be a little button that says request.
Request. Oh, deploy, yeah.
Quick note too, you don't actually have to type anything into the little the pop-up that shows up. You can just press OK.
Oh yeah, you don't actually need to write anything.
I wrote hello.
Thanks, I like to see a hello. I don't see it come through yet though.
Because I'm trying, the deploy doesn't work for me for some reason. Deploy it.
You want to press request.
Yeah,
What?
make sure you click request next to deploy.
Oh, we need to hit request too.
Uh-huh. And then just hit OK when that little box pops up.
Okay. I said okay.
Yeah, you did it! All right. You want to check on Minecraft?
I'm in Minecraft already.
Okay, I'm gonna activate it in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Nice!
Congratulations, you two. Very nice.
You guys are programmers!
I'm in bot. No, I'm in creative mode.
Emma's probably like, that was easy. I already knew some coding before. All right. Hey, nice. You guys know how to say something in Minecraft now. And you can say whatever you want.
Can I jump off of a tree?
Jump off of it.
Just hit it. And I'm in creative mode. I forgot.
So I'm going to show you how to do some other cool stuff in Minecraft now. So go ahead and check on my Zoom call. I'm going to show you some stuff.
Oh, you're back in the coding thing.
Okay. So, we're going to do some other Minecraft actions. So we have a lot of cool options here. So for example, you can place a block down using code. You can move somewhere. You can look at something. But the one we're going to really want for today in order to make our enemies is spawn. So spawn will create whatever you want. Now there's 2 different kinds of spawns. Make sure you pick the one, don't do it yet, but when you're doing it, make sure you pick the one that doesn't have the little puzzle piece at the end. This one is for coordinates, and we're not going to worry about that today.
Do I get rid of all my other stuff that I made?
Nope, don't worry about it yet. Just watch me for a second, okay? I'll tell you what to do in just a second. Okay, so, now, the cool thing about code is we can chain multiple actions together here. So if I put this into the game, you will see it will happen from top to bottom. So at the initialization, at the very start, we will say hello world, and then we will spawn something. I'm going to spawn this little drop-down menu. I can choose whatever I want. I am going to spawn a fox. I like foxes.
What if you spawn a zombie?
You want me to spawn a zombie instead? I'll spawn a zombie just for you.
Yeah, 500.
We'll get to that.
Yeah,
We'll get to spawning 500. We're just gonna spawn one for now.
Yeah.
So I spawn a zombie. Don't worry about this normal thing. You want to keep it as normal. Hit save in the bottom left. Don't do it yet. I'm just showing you. And then request. And you will see on my game, when I spawn it into the game, I said hello, and a zombie appeared behind me. So both things happened at once. I'm going to let that zombie burn down. So what you guys are going to do now is you are going to make a new unit. A new unit. So remember how we do that? In the upper left-hand corner, we hit this little black box. Open new. And you're going to name it Enemy Game. Or whatever you want. Well, no, we should probably name it Enemy Game so I know what it is. Name it Enemy Game.
No,
And
TV game. Get out of here.
your code from before is still going to be here. But what you're going to do instead of hitting say, you can keep your say if you want, or you can delete it. You just drag it over here.
Tiny one of those, and we have the giant one.
But you're going to go to Minecraft Actions and spawn something. You can choose what you want to spawn. I recommend doing something you actually recognize, because some of these are not very exciting when they are spawned.
Recognize every mob in Minecraft.
Well, do you know what an area effect cloud is?
Kind of. It does some weird effect.
It's not very exciting though, I promise.
I want to die from it.
What
is that?
But go ahead into you guys' game, and you can make this. So make a new unit, call it Enemy Game, and you are going to spawn something. If you want to say something at the same time, you totally can, but you don't have to. We want to spawn something. So go ahead back to your own code.
Can I spawn like multiple things?
Sure. You want to spawn more than one thing? Absolutely. Go for it.
Be quiet. Be quiet, Wyatt. No. Yes, sir.
And then let me know when you have requested it, and I will put it in the game.
Okay. I already have one. Hey, I'm gonna spawn. Which one spawn?
So it should be at the very bottom. You'll have to scroll down to the bottom.
You're not even playing Minecraft. Spawn. I still don't see it.
Are you under Minecraft Actions?
Oh, it's under Minecraft Actions?
Yes.
No, the literals are under there.
Oh, it's in Minecraft Actions. Sorry, you have to click on Minecraft Actions.
Oh, and then what do you look for?
Spawn, normal, and it should say area effect cloud, but you can switch it to whatever you want.
Spawn normal. Don't spawn normal. Spawn normal area. Oh, there it is.
Yay! Emma, how's yours going?
We see another thing on our screen. Because I have multiple things on my screen right now. Really? Get that off of us! Are you putting that there? Wait, did you put that there? Wait, did you put that there? Wait, did you put that there?
How's it going, guys? Emma, are you still spawning multiple things?
How do you spawn multiple things?
All you gotta do is drag it in more than once. Every time you put it in there, it'll spawn something new. We're also gonna... We might get to the way to make that easier. I don't know if we'll have time for it.
I requested.
Awesome. Ooh. Looks like there might be an error, but it might be on my end. Hang on. Try again. Oh, I see yours too. I see the other one too.
I'm back in the game. I'm ready to get exploded.
Ah, geez, Louise. Why can I not see your units?
I see somebody running around.
Hmm.
Come here. I want to punch you.
Interesting. Okay, Kat, I'm gonna try yours out. I'm about to put it in the game. I think there might be a problem with it though, because I'm not able to see it, but let's try it out.
Hi, you.
I'm gonna undeploy these ones. And let's see here.
What are y'all doing?
Yeah, interesting. It seems like there's an error with yours, Kat. I'm gonna get to that in just a second. Let me deploy. Hey, you spawned a creeper!
Die, creeper! Die, creeper! What?
Okay. Let me see if I can figure out what's going on with yours.
How do I move?
Emma, did you make sure that you saved it before you requested?
Question. How do I go on my... How do I change where I am on my screen? Oh, that's how.
You mean go to a different window from Minecraft?
No, I figured it out though.
Okay.
Die, creeper. I'm killing the creeper I spawned. I sliced it in half.
Whoa.
Hi, Mr. Abominable Snowman. I was about to cut him up. But I want you to cut him up.
Emma, did you save your unit before you requested it?
Why? How are
You
you?
should unmute yourself, Emma.
How are you floating there? I want to know how you're floating there and why.
I'm just gonna try something again.
Okay.
Come down here, you.
So what I would recommend you do while she is getting hers sorted out, why don't you try spawning something else as well as a creeper?
How do
So
I
try
spawn?
spawning two things.
Like how? But I don't know how to do that.
So all you do, it's pretty easy, actually. You go to Minecraft Actions and you drag in another spawn, and you can click whatever you want. Another option is you can actually right click on the spawn and click duplicate, and that'll make a new one for you.
Yeah. I'm spawning multiple things, everybody, and if you get near me, I might spawn it on you. So don't get near me. Also, might get spawned but with a ender dragon on your head. And it poops on you. Get out of here. Can I do dig or something? There's a bunch of actions on here.
Today we're just going to be spawning enemies, but if you want to try some of the other actions, I would say you should join one of our PDL code classes, because we go over a lot more actions in there.
Okay, I did it again.
All right, cool. I got it. And boom, we got it. Sorry, I should have warned you that I was about to spawn a bunch of enemies around you.
If I'm being honest, I kind of just wanted the Enderman to chase the Endermite and the cat to chase the creeper.
That's funny.
That's all I wanted out of it.
That's very clever. I like it.
Okay, I made another one with 3 mobs.
All right, cool. Save it and request.
Yo.
All right, you ready? I'm
I'm
putting
ready.
it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, hang on. There's an error with it.
Yeah. I saved it, so
Why is there
If
an
the-
error with it?
I don't know.
Looks fine. Let's try it again. Oh, I know why. It's my fault. All right, there it is. Dude, you spawned an Ender Dragon. What were you thinking?
What?
Oh my goodness.
We did it to you too. Anyone gonna come help me fight this Ender Dragon I spawned?
Yep, I'm helping you. Ready? Ready for my OP move? 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Do that.
Magic.
You deleted. That's how.
I'm just really good at Minecraft. All right, cool. So now you guys can spawn multiple enemies. I'm going to show you the very last teaching thing for the day, and then I'm going to let you guys make your own enemy game where you can choose which enemies are going to spawn. So go ahead and come back to Zoom so I can show you. I hear some weird noises. Are those Endermites? Oh my
Probably.
goodness, it's like a million of them.
Who spawned a bunch of Endermites?
Get out of here.
Oh, and
There
by
was
the way,
40 of them.
I have another request. You'll see in a minute. You'll see.
Oh, hang on. Come back to Zoom for a second.
I'm on Zoom already.
Cool. So you can see my screen?
Yeah, you can see your screen.
Awesome. All right. I'm going to show you guys one last thing. Now, we have these enemies here.
look like a sea You're using mine.
Um,
I think you're using.
so what if we want the enemies to come in different waves? So like maybe I want first 3 zombies to spawn, and then I want 2 witches to spawn, and then I want an Enderman and a pillager. We can add delays into our code to make it so that there's a little wait in between. So this is under time. It's the only thing under time, actually. The only thing in the time menu, but it has a delay. Now you'll see there's a little puzzle piece in here. We're going to have to add a piece that's under literals. Now, last time we chose the green because we were doing text. We were typing something in. This time we're going to choose the purple because that's a number. We can type whatever number we want. So I'm going to make mine 10, and I can take this little drop-down menu to pick what I want, seconds. So right now, I'm going to make it something that's not a pig. Let me make it something a little scarier. An Enderman. So it's going to spawn a zombie, a pillager, an Enderman. It's going to wait 10 seconds. And then I'm also going to spawn a, what should we do? How about a blaze? Spawn a blaze. Ooh, and a ghast. Get the nether in here. That'll be pretty cool. So now when I started out, we're just going to have these 3 guys. We're going to wait. And we'll spawn a blaze and a ghast. And you know what? I'm actually going to give you one more cool little tool if you want to use it. Let's say I want to spawn 3 ghasts, but I don't want to keep copying and pasting because that's kind of annoying. Under statements here. Nope. Yes, under statements. I can actually do this thing that does repeat. And now whatever number I put in here, it will repeat that code that number of times. So now we got spawning a zombie, spawning a pillager, spawning an Enderman. Wait 10 seconds. Repeat 3 times. We're going to spawn a ghast 3 times. So it'll spawn 3 ghasts and a blaze. This is going to be a lot of enemies. It's going to be a little crazy.
What is it under? What is it under?
What is which one under?
The one that makes
Repeat?
Yeah.
That's under statements.
Where is statements?
It's right below PDL code.
Oh, statement. Mine's event names.
It would actually be under game data then, if you have that menu open.
Game day event.
It's game data and then statements. You want to click on statements.
There it is.
So I'm going to put this into the game and let you guys see what happens. All right. I'm adding it. 3, 2, 1, and I put it in. Our first 3 enemies have spawned, and in 10 seconds, we should see that those ghasts come in. Oh, there they are. Oh my goodness. And a blaze. Everything is going on. So now we added a little delay. So using this, you can actually make multiple waves of enemies. Oh my goodness, they're all fighting now. Oh boy, I need to turn my volume down a little bit because those ghasts are very loud.
Why do I hear something annoying sounds? You're gonna have fun with my code for sure.
So, here's what I'm gonna let you guys do now. Go ahead back to your enemy game, and you are going to make whatever enemies you want spawn. Remember to use the delay at least once. Definitely not hours. Would not recommend delaying for hours because we do not have hours. You are not going to see your code happen if you make it hours. But you can make it wait for like 1 minute or a few seconds, or even milliseconds if you want. And if you want to spawn multiple of an enemy, you can try using the repeat. So go ahead and make that code and then let me know when you are ready. I'm going to keep mine on the screen right here so you guys can see what mine looks like if you want to copy mine.
Here. Why do I see the same thing on LinkedIn? It's tiny though. Quiet.
Oh no, there's more endermites. Get out of here.
Which one was the one that makes mobs spawn again? Which one was that on?
It's in the Minecraft Actions menu. And it's spawn.
Maybe the Endermites have babies and we're Endermites. Are Endermites baby dragons?
I just missed the Endermite 3 times.
That is probably the cutest thing I've ever heard in my life. They are not little baby dragons, but they're still very cute.
They should be.
They are the friendly neighborhood neighbors of the Enderman.
Okay, I'm ready with mine, I think.
Cool. Save it and request. I might actually teach you guys one more thing.
And no more rereading. There. Can we go into
What?
survival?
Dude,
Sure,
you
if you want
delayed.
to.
Yeah, absolutely, dude.
Yeah.
Here, do you want me to put you in survival?
Let me get down real quick.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, I'm on the ground.
All right, I'm setting you in survival.
And I run through a portal and now I'm in survival. Hi, cow. I'm about to kill you, cow. I stop. Hi, horse. I'm about to... Yeah.
I'm gonna have you look at your code again really quick.
Okay.
You have added an extra block that says set var. You're gonna want to get rid of that.
Oh.
If you click on it and just hit the delete key, that should get rid of it.
Which one did I? Wait.
It says set var. Do you see it? It's in the middle there.
Oh, that one was supposed to make it where how many spawn. That one was meant to be there, actually.
Oh, you meant to put the repeat one. So make sure
Yeah.
you click on statements. It's a blue block. It's not red.
Blue block.
Yeah. And it says repeat times, it says.
Wyatt, go somewhere else. There's my brother. Oh, how about I throw this Landy out of it? What is so weird on Minecraft right now? It's not mine, it's somebody else.
Emma, how's it going? You still working on it?
Yeah,
Cool.
I had an idea.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and update mine a little bit.
Where does this? How do you say repeat times? Like, where is that one?
You haven't found it yet?
No.
Are you in the statements menu?
Oh yeah.
So you'll have to scroll down a little bit probably.
No, I already have repeat time.
Oh, you have it. Okay. To get the number in there, you have
Yeah.
to go to literals and find the purple number, the purple 0.
To become. Oh, this is cool.
Why don't you come out here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go fight this giant over here. He's gone.
Get out of here, yo.
Oh, that is terrifying.
What are you doing?
Oh, jeez, and the gas noises.
This is how I rule my kingdom.
I gotta stop forgetting where stuff is.
Oh, right. I was gonna upgrade my thing. I forgot. Let me make it.
Dying right now.
So what's everyone working on right now?
They're making their enemies. They're making multiple enemies with a delay and a repeat.
Ooh.
Oh wait, that's what
I sent it.
You sent it? Nice. All right, cool. Let's see.
Where was the delay at?
Delay is in the time menu. Oh, I only glanced at yours, Emma. It looks good. I'm excited. All right, I'm putting it in. Do you want to be in survival?
Sure.
All right, put you in survival. Okay. All right.
I just remembered I'm half a heart and I have no food.
Oh no. Here, I'll give you some healing potions or food.
Thanks.
Oh, thanks. Think that was Joshua. Got it.
I'm just hoping this one.
Come on, you thingy. Get in there.
Hey, I'm just gonna let you know, you will probably break the server if you spawn 9,000 of something. I do not recommend going above 100.
Okay. Yeah. I thought there's some. Can I do 100?
Yeah, you can do 100. We might get a little lag spike for a bit, but
I
should be
think
fine.
I should only, because it's going to repeat that 30 times. So it's going to end up in 300, actually. Yeah. So let's not do that, and let's just do 10 repeated 10 times.
Sounds like a plan.
Well, 10 repeated 30 times. That equal 90, so probably 20 would be. You know what? No, 15.
Wait. Emma, did I put yours into the game yet? Oh, no, I didn't.
No,
You
I
were
don't
here.
think.
That's right. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1, and boom. Oh, wait, there's an error. Hang on. Let me see what the problem is.
Oh, I
Oh,
need.
I deployed the wrong one. I got you. 3, 2, 1, and boom.
Yay.
Don't deploy mine yet. I'm really low on health too. Guy Foxes.
The chicken died.
No.
Okay, I may have made it a bit hard.
Oh, look, there's more chickens.
Thanks.
Come here. Can I slap you with a sword?
You could try, but I'm in creative mode.
I'm not.
The foxes are just leaving him missing.
Die. Die, you.
I'm gonna make.
I don't care.
Oh.
I feel like I should have made less animals.
You can
Die,
tweak it a
you.
little bit. You can change it up a bit.
Okay.
That wolf tried to kill me.
How's yours coming along? Our friend Twade123. Oh
It's
boy,
Wade.
that was a loud
It's
internet
Wade, 1,
sound.
2, 3. And how do I? Oh yeah, that's how.
T Wade, is that what you said?
T Wade 1, 2, 3.
T Wade, got it.
How do you eat? Which button do you press?
Right click.
Right click. I forgot which one right click is.
Not, it's the one you would not break blocks with. Not the one you break blocks with.
Okay,
Which
no. I sense.
All right.
I don't know what you're talking about because I break blocks with the pad.
Okay, so you'll have to go to the far right side of your pad and click there. And hold it.
It doesn't. Oh, that's I figured it out.
You got it?
I think so.
Cool. All right, Emma, I'm deploying yours in 3, 2, 1, and boom.
Where's the
Behind you.
chicken's still alive?
It's not working.
Oh, they all ran away.
Yeah.
Working.
Did you already send in your code?
Yeah, I did. I can't eat though. I
It
haven't.
looks like it's not quite finished.
Huh?
It looks like you got a little piece hanging out on the right side of your screen.
What? Oh, I meant to delete that. I meant to delete it. I didn't know it was there.
Yeah. It was probably hiding just outside. Now I'm also going to let you know, whatever you want to happen more than once, you have to put inside of the little repeat times block. So right now, nothing's going to be repeated because you don't have anything in there.
I still don't know how to eat. That's
I could just kill you and then you'll come back with full health.
no. I want to figure out how to.
So to eat, you want to hold the food item in your hand
Yeah.
And then you want to hold down. Are you using a mouse or a
No.
trackpad?
A trackpad.
Trackpad. Okay. So you want to click on it with 2 fingers at the exact same time and hold it down. So if you click with 2 fingers
Oh,
together.
got it.
Awesome.
You're actually
Good
one knows how
job.
the laptops work. There we go.
Me punch you. Get out of that. Get off
I'm
that
gonna
strider,
slap.
you.
Make sure you fix your code though,
I
and
will.
save it and re-request.
I also re-request mine because the wolf basically killed the sheep instantly.
Oh
I don't think
no!
I could live with 3 of them. So
If we get our thing in, I will show you how we can make it. If our other friend finishes his code, then I will make it so that you can repeat it yourself in the game, and then you don't have to request it every single time.
No, bonus.
okay.
But there, it's active. I should have warned you.
Okay, I fixed it.
Did you save and request?
Yes.
Awesome. Let's take a peek. Okay, it should work, but just so you know, there's not going to be anything repeated still.
How?
Okay.
There's nothing in it.
Hi.
So if you want to look at my screen, you can see how my repeat has the spawn inside of it.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah.
That's safe.
I get it now.
And you can have more than one thing repeated in there, so I could also spawn 3 blazes.
Ah.
I add a little extra thing at the bottom here. What happened to it? It disappeared. That's okay. I don't like the sound Striders make.
Yeah, I don't either.
I don't like anything about Striders.
I know they're
It has got to be the winner of the ugliest thing ever made in a video game ever. Like I who at Mojang there, I guess Nosh or whatever, but it's like, yeah, let's make them look like that. That's a good idea. Let's do this. Right? Like, how does this happen? It's like their hair's falling out. It's like,
there.
You got it?
this isn't like ASMR for you there, Ashton? Just like,
Nope.
listen, like, oh, Strider walking around.
Luckily, my sound is turned down pretty low, so I don't need to worry too much.
Yeah, Striders are annoying.
Oh yeah, like crunchy, crumbly, like a bag of potato chips in the theater. Like, yeah, that's what they sound like.
Get off your silly Strider.
All right, I'm activating yours in the game. You ready?
Yep.
It's gonna happen in 3, 2, 1.
How many Ender Dragons are there? 500 of them. You like all the Ender Dragons?
Oh my! Where even are? Where? What?
I like that it's gonna probably destroy everything.
I don't even see. Huh? Why do I not see them anywhere?
It's probably because it's gonna crash the server.
All right. Well, I'm gonna get rid of them then. I can hear them.
There you go. That's better.
Let me explode. See if I can explode the creepers.
This is so weird. They're
Yeah.
just not rendered on my screen.
I can't see him either.
What?
Let me go back and delete them real quick.
I can't use a command to kill them either because they just don't exist for me. Oh, I know why. Because you set them to phantom.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You want them to be normal, not phantom. I have no idea how to get rid of phantom entities.
You get rid of them by having them disconnect and reconnect.
Okay. Did you hear that? So if you want to get rid of the Ender Dragons, that's what you got to do. Just disconnect and reconnect.
Something that'll
So
just.
that means we can summon phantoms. Whoa.
Absolutely. All right. It seems like otherwise it's working though. So I'm going to show you one last thing and then you can fix the phantom thing in your code, okay? So go ahead and take a peek. Oh boy, that's not what I want. Take a peek at my screen here. So can you guys see my Zoom screen okay? Can you guys see it okay?
I can see your screen okay.
All right. I'll assume our friends are okay.
I see everyone still in Minecraft, so I think they're watching you.
All right. So last thing that we're going to do right now, our code always happens at the start as soon as we put it into Minecraft. That's our unit initializer, right? But what if we wanted to wait a little bit and make our actions happen after a little bit of time? We could use a delay, but what if we only want it to happen when we do something specific? Or we want it to happen multiple times. Maybe I want it to happen every time I put down a block. This is where we can use events. So remember, we always start our code by going to main, and we can find our events under main as well. An event is just something that happens. So I gave the example of when you put a block down. It could also be when you start sneaking. It could be when you start sprinting, when you're flying with an elytra. It could be checking a horse's inventory. Or when you say something, when you put a message in the chat. Those are all examples of events. And we can use those events to cause our code to happen every time we do that event. So if I just take all of my code and put it into this little event thing, now I just need to pick what event I want it to use. So this little blank spot, if I go to PDL code, you can see I have event names is a category. These are all of the events that we can choose from. So you can kind of guess what they mean. They're written a little weird, but you can guess what there is. So chat heard is when you hear a chat in the game, when somebody else or yourself says something in the game. Chat spoken is when you actually type something into the chat. Placing a block is when you place things down. Leaving a bed is when you leave a bed. A lot of them are pretty straightforward. My favorite one to use is start sneaking. So that's every time that I hit on a computer, the shift key, on a keyboard, the shift key, so that I start sneaking. Whenever, now that I have my code all set up here, I have this event and start sneaking. Every time that I start sneaking, all of this is going to happen. And that means I can make it happen more than once. It's not going to happen when I start my code anymore. It's going to wait until I actually sneak. And then the second I sneak, all of these things are going to happen. So I'm going to show you in the game. I'm going to save, I'm going to request, and I put it into the game. So you can see nothing has happened in the game right now, but I'm going to sneak in 3, 2, 1, boom. And everything has spawned. Oh no, I'm sorry. There, I put you in creative mode.
That arrow missed me.
There, I put everybody in creative mode so that we don't need to worry about that. Now,
Crossbow.
here's the cool thing. If I sneak again, it's all gonna happen again. You ready? Boom. More zombies and pillagers and endermen. And I can do it again. Boom. More zombies and pillagers and endermen.
Can I do that?
Yeah. So that's what you guys are going to do next. I am going to... This is going to be a lot to clean up. I didn't think about this.
Yeah.
Oh,
You might
boy.
be able to use your code.
Yeah, I'm gonna let's get rid of the
Yeah, let me go see if I can fix that phantom stuff for y'all.
yeah. So if you don't want to hear Ender Dragons screaming in your ear, I would recommend you disconnect really quick and then just reconnect to the server.
Let me
Unless you want to hear Ender Dragons flapping at you. You
I
can
think
if you want.
let me destroy them real quick.
Actually, I'm pretty sure the phantoms just sit there. They don't move.
Can I delete my code? I want to start a new one.
Sure. But what I want you to do this time is we only have 15 minutes. Just so you know, we don't have very much time left. But you totally can. But this time use an event. And I would suggest something that you can do really easily, like putting a block down or sneaking or sprinting, something that's very easy so that you can actually make your game happen when you want to. But you can make a new code. You could make a new unit even if you wanted to save your previous work. But totally up to you. You guys go ahead and try it out. I'm going to make mine. So, you're gonna, if you want to delete your old code, you can, but I would say just use what you already have, and you're just going to put it into an event. So remember, event is under main. So you're gonna drag that in. You pick an event name, which is in PDL code event names.
Wait, is it in Minecraft Actions?
The spawn is in Minecraft Actions, but the event is in main.
The event is in the. Okay, I'm gonna have to get rid of those Ender Dragons.
I'm telling you, if you hit escape and then disconnect, and then you just connect again, they should be gone.
Phantom, why can't I hit them?
Probably because they're phantom. Yeah.
Hey, we can put lava on them.
I don't think that's going to get rid of them.
If we got something steel, we could light up the creepers.
You could try.
Let me try real quick. I'm gonna. No,
Although remember, you only have 15 minutes to make your code.
I'm gonna get back to my code real quick. And then I'll mess with them later.
I'm gonna add to mine a little bit.
I sent another thing.
Awesome. Okay, 1 second. Ooh, I'm gonna spawn guardians. That sounds like a great idea. All right. Do you want to be in survival mode or creative?
Survival.
Okay. Survival. There we go. All right. You ready? I'm putting it in. Just take a little peek. Okay. I actually have to let you, because I just peeked at your code. I have to tell you a small problem with what you did, okay? So it'll work, but there's a small problem.
Yeah.
When the event happens, you are going to say something. And that is going to make the event happen again because you are saying something.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Because you're using chat spoken. So every time that you say something in the game, all your code is going to happen. That's going to make you say something, is going to just cause you to say something again, and you're just going to keep saying something over and over and over and over again. Yeah. Because by saying something, you're gonna just, it's gonna be like, oh, you said something, so let's say something else. And it's just gonna keep doing it over and over. So I would pick a different event. There are ways to get, there are ways to get
Emma's
around
in survival.
Oh no, she's
I found this warden.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Warden.
She just got sonically shrieked into the dirt.
Oh no.
Sorry about that, Emma. I thought we were only creative.
Who made
Took
this
one for
little
the
lava
team.
lake here?
That's the Strider's like waiting pool.
Ah, I see.
They get cold in the not lava. It's like really they shiver.
The parking lot.
Oh, geez, I forgot my code was still on and I shifted.
How do I?
Oh no, and because they're blazes and gas, they're not dying in the lava. Wah! Got rid of them. And
I'm not a fan of these new gas noises.
fan.
What? How do I work the event thing? I don't know how to.
So it's going to be exactly like a unit initializer, where it's going to, all your code's going to go inside of it.
Yeah.
The only difference is you also need to add a name for the event, so it knows when it's going to actually happen. So did you find the event block under main?
Yeah. Wait,
What
is it called?
It's literally just says event. It's purple, and it's under main. It's in main.
Get out of here and into the trash can.
We've got a wither fighting a warden.
Ooh, that's
This
exciting.
is one of my favorite battles of all time.
It looks like a scene from a movie.
So if this warden can get this wither,
I feel
into a
like the
corner-
wither is winning.
oh, it will win unless this warden can start punching it. Yeah, it can't kill it with its sonic shriek, but if it can punch it, it can like 4-shot it.
Wow.
But it has to get it. It has to get it down into the ground. It still takes a beating though. Look at that.
Yeah, absolutely. Are you guys helping the warden?
Yeah.
I'm
Team
just spectating.
Warden! Woo!
On the bottom, what do you have to add? Events.
You mean in the little hole at the top?
Yeah.
So you have to put a name of an event. So if you click on PDL
See,
code,
there you go. There it goes. The warden won. 'Cause
yay!
he could punch him. Dun, 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 you're victorious, bro.
So in the PDL code, where it says PDL code, if the arrow is pointing down, there should be a category called event names there.
Oh, I already have the event names, but what goes below it?
Oh, inside of the event, you mean?
Yeah.
All of your code. So all of your spawning enemies.
No, like right below the Where's spawn at? I forgot.
It's under Minecraft Actions. Did you find your spawn?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, Emma, did you request yours?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And you changed it? Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna also explain really quick what block change means, because it is when you put a block down, but it's also
Or
if
break a
some
block?
yeah, it could be break a block, but it could also be like a cow eating grass or like wheat growing. So just be aware that anything could cause it to happen. All right, you ready? I'm
What
putting it in. 3.
What is repeat under?
Oh wait, are you in survival?
Yeah.
Okay, great. 3, 2, 1, and deploy.
What is repeat under? Just wondering.
Statements. You should build.
Oh, there it is.
You should build a little arena so all of your animals stay close by.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I'll build an arena, I guess.
You don't have to. It was just a suggestion.
I want to build an arena. Can I have creative?
Oh yeah.
We do have about 5 minutes left for the class, so it might have to be a small arena if you want to try to fit it in.
Oh yeah. Do you want me to help you out?
No.
I really like your game. It's a very cool idea. All right, Mr. T Wade.
I think I'm ready. Let me do
All
something.
right.
So,
We're just okay.
and by the way, my
Oh,
real
it's
name
gonna
is
keep happening when you put a block down, huh?
Oh yeah.
You want me to turn it off?
my
Yeah.
real name is Just Wade.
Just Wade.
Yeah.
All right. Just Wade. How's it going?
Good. No.
I turned
What
it
am I
off. for
Turned
you.
off.
Yeah.
So, I'm ready.
All right. Let's take a peek. Looking good.
It's not like okay.
All right, I'm spawning yours in the game. You ready?
You can't actually.
What?
Mine's if you place a block down.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
Inventory, get a block real quick.
Yeah, sure. What's your in-game name? T-Wade, right. Stone. There, I gave you a bunch of stone.
Oh yeah.
And do you want to be in survival?
Survival.
All right, I'm spawning yours in the game. You ready? 3, 2, 1, and boom. Put a block down and let's see it happen.
Place.
It's also right click. So
I don't have a mouse.
I know. Maybe Mr. Joshua can help us out again.
Yeah. Have some help.
What can I do to help?
How do you place a block on a trackpad?
I forgot.
You use 2 fingers. You want to click with 2 fingers at the same time.
Aha.
It looks like you did it.
Yep, I did it.
Awesome. Good job.
That Ender Dragon hates me.
Whoa.
I can't even hit it. Oh, there I hit it.
Hi, Creeper. Come here, Creepy. Let me
I
get
have
to
like
my
a chicken graveyard over here.
Is there a reason why you can't fly?
Do you want to be in? You're in creative, aren't you?
Whoa.
Oh,
Yeah, you are.
Oh,
he's
whoa.
All right. Well, guys, we only have 1 more minute left in the class. Do you guys have any more questions or anything?
Someone need an arena? We can use this here.
Hi.
Whoa.
I just got shot up here. The Ender Dragon shot me.
Whoa.
Aw. That Ender Dragon shot me all the way up here.
Oh boy, we got lots of dragons now.
Nice work, everybody. By the
Yeah.
way, that was excellent.
Yeah, thank you guys so much. And I recommend that if you guys had fun, if you want to learn more, take our classes. We get to do a lot of cool stuff, and especially in level 2 and 3, we get to make some really fun programs like Diamond Finders and let's see, other like mini games and cool stuff. House Builder was one of the ones we showed off. There's all kind of cool stuff that we can do. So,
All right.
thank you
Let me
guys so
know-
much.
Let me know when you're ready to wrap up, Ash. I can wrap up.
I think we're good.
Let me
All
get,
right.
let me get
Nice
myself
job, Jenny.
back
Nice job,
over there.
Emma. I
Can I
mean,
get myself back over there real quick?
You want to teleport?
I can get there.
Oh, sorry. But yeah, like Miss Ashton said, we hope that you guys enjoyed, and feel free to check out the other coding classes that we have. And this is both to our students and for anyone watching our streams for today. We, aside from coding, again, we have a lot of other classes that you can check out for building or story writing or anything that might be interesting to you. So you can check out our website. And if you guys do want to watch this live stream, it's going to be saved on our YouTube or Facebook channels. But yeah, if there isn't anything else for anybody, that's going to be the end of the stream. And we hope everybody has a great rest of your day.
Happy New Year.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, everybody.
All my stuff.
Bye,
Oh
everyone.
no.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
And Ender Dragon.